And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Good Tuesday morning. Time now is 4:45. Temperature is not that bad. We're in the 30s out there for many of us. Westfield looking good. You might notice that some of the roads and sidewalks are going to look a little wet this morning. We did see a few passing rain showers during the overnight. Same for Chicopee. It looks a lot better here in Chicopee. You can see a lot of the broken cloud cover. So as the sun rises this morning, you might notice that there is going to be some passing clouds. But going into the afternoon, the sun should be out nice and bright, so I'll call it partly to mostly sunny for today. We do have the breeze out of the north, nice and light. The wind is going to pick up a little bit, though, as we go towards the afternoon, so you will notice that for later today. Temperature for now, 34 in Northampton, 35 is the temperature in Springfield, 36. One of the warmer spots in Orange at the moment. As we go throughout the day, as I mentioned, we'll see a good amount of sun as we go towards the afternoon. These temperatures climbing into the upper 30s to near 40 today, so still above average. A little cooler than yesterday, but it'll still feel pretty nice when you walk outside, considering it's the beginning of February. So for now, again, Springfield looks fine out there. Good visibility. Going throughout the day, we're going to stay dry and breezy. That is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Our next system that we're watching is a wintry mix for Thursday. I'll talk more about this in just a moment. And then we're watching another wintry mix scenario as we go towards the weekend. That looks to be Saturday night into the day on Sunday. So an active pattern is setting up. There's also a few systems we're watching heading towards next week as well, but we'll get through Thursday and then the weekend, and then we'll keep an eye out on things for next week. But right now we're dry. Taking a wider view on clouds radar, you can see we got a good amount of cloud cover out there still, but it's starting to break up, and we're going to be eventually seeing things clear out as we go over the next few hours, and especially towards the afternoon on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. So 7 o'clock this morning, passing cloud cover out there, but notice how the clouds start to thin out as we go towards the afternoon. 12 p.m. here, mostly sunny. We stay with a few high thin clouds, but the sun will be out nice and bright during the afternoon for today. We stay dry as we go into the evening, and we stay pretty clear, and we get pretty cold going into the overnight. In terms of Thursday, I'm starting this at midnight on Thursday morning. We're fine. As we go towards daybreak on Thursday, 6 a.m., we're still dry here in western Massachusetts, just cloudy. We're going to bring in a little bit of some snow and ice as we go through the morning. This is 10 a.m. on Thursday. Here comes the first round of some snow. This is at noon on Thursday. You can see a good amount of snow falling across much of the area. And then as some warmer air starts to work its way, and we could see a flip over a little bit of some ice and snow mix as we go towards the middle of Thursday afternoon. This is 3 p.m. and this is gone by Thursday evening. So as I mentioned, this looks to be starting as snow and then going over to an icy mix of some sleet, freezing rain, snow mixture before ending on Thursday evening. So not going to put a snowfall map out just yet, but this is an early idea of some of the models in terms of the snow that we could see. I'd put it as a 2 to 5 inch scenario across much of the area. You can see it gives Springfield, Northampton, and Greenfield all around 3 inches of snow, and then of course some ice would be on top of that. So we'll keep an eye on that as we go towards Thursday. In terms of the wind, we're going to see the breeze pick up as we go towards the afternoon. This is 12 p.m. You can see wind gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour up and down the valley, and we stay with that breeze towards the middle of the afternoon, and eventually the wind tries to settle off a little bit as we go into the evening, but still breezy. So temperatures out there, 36 to 40 degrees, partly to mostly sunny. We're going to get cold tonight. Temperatures fall back to the single digits and low teens with a few passing clouds. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, tomorrow is fine. We have that wintry mix on Thursday of some snow and ice. Friday looks good, and then we're watching another system that'll bring us some snow, rain, and ice as we go through Saturday into Sunday. Monday looks fine, and as I mentioned, there could be a few things to watch heading towards next week as well. If you want to check out our latest forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.